Hello, Waqas. How are you doing?
Yeah, me fine. Thank you very much. What about you?
I'm good, thank you. Congratulations on passing one of the most difficult and challenging exams by PMI, Construction Professional Certification. Wonderful achievement.
Thank you very much. I'm also feeling very good after clearing this exam.
Fantastic, wonderful. Thank you for the time for this lesson learned session. This would be really helpful for anyone who would be watching. So, Waqas, let's start with your brief introduction. What do you do? Where do you work?
As you know, my name is Waqas Arshad. Basically, I'm civil engineer. I did my bachelor degree from UT Lahore, and last 15 years I'm working in Middle East in different countries, Qatar, UAE, and currently I'm working in KSA, one of the biggest project of the world, NEOM, the line.
Fantastic, fantastic, wonderful. Okay, so when did you start your PMI CP preparation and how much total time you spent?
Then I joined your session in June, and it takes 15 days. For example, if anybody attend your lecture, you are offering 15 days.
Yes, that's
15
right.
days. After that one, what I feel, if with the full concentration, next 15 days also focus on your mocks, your notes, then it will be easy to clear that exam.
So you're saying 1 month, 15
Yeah,
days
1 month.
of my course? Okay, perfect. Wonderful. And
Yes.
how many hours a day? Let's say 30 days for how many hours a day?
Uh, 2 to 3 hours
2 to 3 hours.
after your.
Fantastic. Fantastic, absolutely. One question before we jump to resources. If we compare PMP and CP, which one is
Yes.
easier and which one is difficult?
Yeah. Yeah, I already have PMP, RMP, and no CP. If we go for the exam, CP is little tricky and challenge, because I
Right.
also feel same what you discuss in the lectures. Length of the questions are long and
That's right.
little tricky also. And one
That's right.
advantage what I feel during the exam, in CP you have enough time,
Right.
like 120 questions, and you have 230 minutes. So time is same as like PMP, time overall time same, but during examination you have enough time to solve the question, and after that each session you can this one review your questions, and whatever you mark you can review that one and make an correct.
Right. Absolutely. Fantastic. Okay. So tell me what study resources you used in addition to those four e-learning courses by PMI.
I start from your lectures first, this live lectures. After that, I use your notes that are very fantastic. You know, a lot of visuals are there, a lot of diagrams, and well-structured notes, and to the point. That's most important. And after that, I start solving mocks. And during the mocks, I achieve approximately 70, 72 first in the start.
All right. Absolutely. So you attended my live sessions, then you used my class notes with mock
Yes,
test.
exactly.
Before we jump to the mock test, let me just show these um, very interesting notes which Vakas is
Yes,
referring to.
exactly.
So these are PMI CP notes, very interactive, visually appealing, a lot of visuals, colorful. So students say that when they take the exam, these visuals stick to their mind, and most of the questions they're able to answer by just looking at these, notes. So Vakas, did you see anything in the exam which is not covered in these notes?
No, no, no. 100% is clear. 100, even
Absolutely,
some
absolutely, absolutely right. And if somebody goes through these notes and they understand these visuals, right, this is very, very, convenient to remember these concepts, and not just remember, these would help you to find right answer in the exam as well. So these are highly interactive. So if somebody wants to study, they can have access to these notes. So yes, and you can also speak one-to-one with me regarding your PMI CP exam, just scan this QR code and you'll go to Calendly where you can book one-to-one Zoom meeting with me and we can talk about your preparation. Okay, perfect. So one is notes. Now let's talk about mock test. How important were mock test considering the exam?
Uh, your mocks like gold.
Right.
To be honest, before during your mocks, I try to solve other mocks also. I purchase from other sources, but unfortunately, I didn't. Maybe I solve only 30 questions or 35, and it's not like assessment only. It's way of learning also. I can say it's the part of preparation also. In each question, you have explanation in the end. Even some questions are I did right, but I go for explanation because just to cross check either I have the same concept or something is different. So really, really very helpful.
Absolutely.
And
That's a
one thing
very,
I
yeah.
mentioned, uh, in the exams, most of the question related to this your mocks statement is different, but length is short compared to your mocks. Your mocks are lengthy, and it's good also again for the preparation point of view.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. So yes, two things Vikas mentioned. One is mock tests are not just assessment, it's part of the learning process. So when you do a mock or practice test, let's say you get 15 right out of 30. So when you review that, you will learn 15 new concepts. So don't just treat mock test as an assessment and just do it and move to the next. Do not move to the next mock test until you thoroughly review your previous mock test, because when you review your right and wrong answer, at that time you learn. So mock tests are not just assessment, they're part of the learning process as well. And
Exactly,
secondly,
exactly,
I have made those questions slightly longer, slightly challenging, slightly difficult, so that if you do these difficult mock tests here, then exam would be much easier for you. As I mentioned, this exam is highly challenging. Why? Because they test a lot of theoretical knowledge, a lot of knowledge about sequencing of activities, and you need to read between the lines to pass this exam. Each and every question is designed to help you understand all the concepts that we cover in the exam, right? So, for example, if somebody solves these 500, 600 questions, I can guarantee you'll be able to cover all the possible concepts which you could see in the exam. So scenarios are different, statements are different, but concepts are similar. So if somebody gets 70 to 80% in my marks, just go ahead and blindly take the exam. You can easily pass the exam. Perfect.
exactly.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay. So you said you did it twice. Yes, students are doing this. They do my mock test once, then they read something or go to my videos, they watch the videos again, and then they do test again. I'm going to share success story of one of my student. He's going to take exam in a few days. He kept on solving the test until he got 100% in all the mock test. He he did those mock tests 3 or 4 times until he got 100%. And today he sent me, final his score for final mark. He said I got 99%. I don't know why I'm not able to score that one question. So he's very particular about that. So means if you understand these questions, exam would be much easier for you. Okay, because let's talk about from learning perspective. You have gone through the course, 4 e-learnings and all those things. How helpful this entire journey for you from learning perspective as a construction professional?
Actually, this CP is directly related to our field. And these things which are mentioned in course outline, course content, it's 100% relevant to our. I have PMP, but PMP is journal. Right now, for example, Agile we are not using. A lot of things in say 100% related to the construction field and who are working in the build environment. One of my friend he was asking me either I should go PMP or CP. So I told him you should go directly to CP because this is the course which is directly related to us, and you will feel that one also. And most of the things which are covered in the course content, uh, most of the peoples in the industry, they don't know, like interface. Before, I don't know what is interface. So once I go through this CP, I know what is in interface, what kind of types of interfaces, and a lot of other things also.
Yes, absolutely. A lot of new knowledge, new frameworks, new tools and techniques. So very different from PMP. And I strongly recommend anyone who is in construction, who deals with infrastructure projects, they should pursue PMI-CP certifications. Okay, wonderful. Waqas, one question. Uh, there are 4 e-learning courses by PMI and 4 booklets by PMI for each of those modules. And then on top of that, we have our my live classes, my recorded lectures, my notes and mock tests. Let's say if somebody just complete my live lectures and they have access to my notes and mock test, what do you think? Is it enough to pass the exam? Live lectures plus mock
It's
test.
it's it's more than enough. It's
More
more
than
than
enough.
enough. Just for first time I'm going to attempt this CP, just for safer side, I read these guidelines. Otherwise, no need to read that one. This your
Absolutely.
lectures, your mocks, plus your notes are more than enough.
Absolutely right. Absolutely. So I tried to design this course in a way that if somebody just completes these recordings and they do my 600 mock questions, they would be fully prepared to pass the PMI-CP exam with above target. But a few, they like to read book, they can read those PMI booklets, but those are not essential to pass the PMI-CP exam. Okay, perfect. Okay, so Waqas, last question. Any advice for PMI-CP aspirants, what they should be doing?
I will directly suggest they should go for your classes. Otherwise,
Okay.
if they go for just rely on e-learning, go for any other source, maybe it will take more time. If anyone want to the point and they want to clear this exam with minimum time and minimum effort, they should go for this one, because your course, your lectures and mocks, everything are to the point, and they are covering 100% of the course content.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you so much, Waqas. So just for those who would like to take my upcoming course, you can simply scan this QR code and you can schedule one-to-one meeting with me. And also you can connect me here, +1 617 682 5175. You can call, you can text. It's also on WhatsApp, or you can drop an email on our official email, help@indemia.org. So, Waqas, thank you so much. I'm so happy on your success. I was like, okay, PMP is good, but it doesn't give you that practical knowledge. But after CP, I feel like CP is one of the best certifications by PMI. And everyone who
Exactly.
deals in contracts, who deals in stakeholders, who deals in infrastructure, construction, right, industrial products, they should be doing the CP because it's full of knowledge. So apart from
Exactly.
certificate you will be getting at the end, but the learning that you will be having, that would be amazing. And it's much, much better than PMP certification. So Vikas, thank you so much for
Definitely.
time. Um, whatever you have said, that would be really helpful for anyone who is pursuing PMI-CP exam. And I wish you all best of luck. Do more certifications, keep on learning, and apply these skills and knowledge in your work to improve that as well. And let's stay in touch. And if you need any help in
Sure, sure.
future, I'm just a text away.
Thank you very much for your support also.
All right,
Thank you very much.
absolutely. Take good care of yourself. Have a nice day. Bye.